The best beach Bluetooth speaker is a waterproof Bluetooth speaker that you can use at the pool, outdoors, or in the sun. There are many speakers with an IP rating, a rating that indicates the speaker is dust and water resistant, based on independent and accredited tests. When looking for a waterproof speaker, an IP rating of IPX4 and IPX7 is ideal, but it ultimately depends on your needs. It is possible to splash water on a speaker with an IPX4 rating. The IPX7 rating on speakers allows them to be submerged in water for up to 30 minutes. An IP rating is the most reliable way to determine how water-resistant a speaker is. Here's everything you need to know about waterproof Bluetooth speaker, including prices, history, sound quality, durability, and for readers ready to make the leap, handy links to buy them. Sony SRS-XG500 X series is at top of our list. This is a portable Bluetooth party speaker. Sony delivers a premium product with great sound that you can take almost anywhere. This is a lightweight portable speaker that is both water and dust resistant. Its outer shell has a waterproof mesh fabric that makes it easy to wash and keep dry. Perfect for anyone looking to take their music to the beach, as this bad boy will continue to play even when exposed to water and sand. As a Sony speaker, you can be sure that the sound quality will be impeccable and can handle any amount of bass you want. It will last about 30 hours on a full charge, making it the ideal companion for a day at the beach, barbecues, camping trips, or anywhere else the elements can get in the way. In addition to the usual Bluetooth function, it also has USB playback and charging. Plug your smartphone into one of the speaker's rear USB ports and listen to music over a wired connection, while the speaker's battery charges your phone. A USB dongle or flash drive can also be plugged in to allow you to read your digital files. The Sony Music Center app puts you in control of your music, lets you choose your favorite playlist, suggest the next track, and change the lighting and sound modes on your speakers. As a bonus for music lovers, this speaker can also double as a plug-in guitar amplifier. At number 2, W-King 50-watt IPX6 waterproof Bluetooth speaker. It looks like a boombox from the 80s but features wireless technology, making it a real monster by W-King. If you're looking for pure power, this is the waterproof speaker for you. Perfect for those who love to party. This speaker is designed to deliver true-to-life HD sound, built with air shields to ensure the bass is as deep as the ocean's depths. In fact, pairing 2 of these speakers will instantly upgrade you to 100-watt stereo surround sound. 2 subwoofers and 2 tweeters are located under the hood, along with 2 passive bass radiators, which means the low frequencies are enhanced to give you really powerful bass without any distortion. The 50-watt W-King Bluetooth speaker is IPX6 water, shock, and dust resistant. You will get about 24 hours of use from each full charge, and you can use this speaker as a power bank to charge your smartphone while listening to music. If you are an Android user, you can also easily pair your phone with the one-touch NFC function. At number 3, Ordison IPX7. This 24-watt speaker is IPX7 waterproof and can be used in the shower, swimming on the beach, or in the rain. It can even withstand being completely submerged in 3 feet of water for up to half an hour. It comes in a variety of colors, and you can pair 2 for true stereo sound. With a full charge, you get 30 hours of use, and it's small enough to take you anywhere. It also includes a built-in rainbow light show to light up your parties. Multicolored lights pulse in phase to the sound and rhythm of your music. This feature can be easily disabled if you want. While you won't get quite the sound quality from this waterproof speaker like some of the more expensive options, it's still a solid speaker that can comfortably push the line between quality and price. Plus, there's a built-in light display. You can enjoy your own northern lights every day with the Ordison speaker. Perfect for anyone who likes to set the mood with their music. This is one of the best waterproof speakers for any budget. A Boda Bluetooth shower speaker is at number 4. This palm-sized portable speaker has 6 watts of stereo sound, and you'll get about 24 hours of use on a full charge. It is IP67 waterproof and can withstand diving up to 1 meter deep for about 30 minutes. If you want to enjoy your music secretly on the beach, it is also sand-proof. It comes with its own attached carabiner, so you can hook it wherever you are or wherever you go easily and privately. Attach it to your backpack, bike, or even your belt loop. Its small size makes it a great choice for those who love to dance in the shower. And its built-in microphone makes it easy to make hands-free calls in case someone interrupts your dance. This is a cheap waterproof Bluetooth speaker that can be beaten. Dip it in, soil it, cover it with sand, then just wash it later. For a fraction of the price of other waterproof Bluetooth speakers, this Bluetooth speaker is sure to become your new best friend. At number 5, Anker 3. An honorable mention is always due to this 10-watt prismatic Bluetooth speaker, which is waterproof rather than water-resistant, with a Bluetooth range of up to 100 feet and a built-in microphone. It is waterproof enough to take to the beach or pool and will last up to 14 hours on a full charge. The sound quality is good and clear, although you won't experience the deep bass that some other portable speakers offer. However, you should have enough power and volume for your home workouts, poolside drinks, or as a gaming audio amplifier that you don't have to worry about spilling your coffee. Compact and sleek, it comes in a variety of colors, and it's a bit of a stretch considering its features, color choices, and quality. You can use it for up to 14 hours on a full charge. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then give us thumbs up and subscribe to us for more latest videos. See you guys in the next video.